good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to use Microsoft Office 365 on your PC if you didn't already know. So to use Office 365, it's really simple. All you gotta do is type in Office 365 at the browser that you're using. And after you type in that, you can see the first website that pops up is the official link, theoffice.com, www.office.com. So you go inside it. I've already logged in, so if you haven't logged in yet, you can log in, and if you don't know how to do that, you can check out our video on that. So you can use everything from here, from the sidebar. Here are PowerPoint, Excel, Word, Teams, Outlook, and OneNote. You can use all the applications that are provided by Microsoft Office from this website for absolutely of no cost. So if you want to use Word, you go on Word. You can create a new blank document, journal notes, APA style paper. It is just as similar as you use Microsoft Word on your phone, or if you have an app on your desktop, it is similar to that. So I've already have a document, a mini report. So you can see here, this is the mini report. So I can insert table, page break, pictures. It is same as the app that you used before. You can even change the layout. You can insert references, footnote, table of contents. You can even view and review word count editor, accessibility, and even use Grammarly on Microsoft Word. So this is only available on Office 365. So this is how you use Word, and if you want to go back, you click on this 9 dot icon, you click on the one you want to use again. Let's click on PowerPoint. Another slide will open, or another tab will open, and you can create a new one. There are many templates that you can choose from, or you can choose Excel if you are planning to do some spreadsheet, or if you are planning to do some maths and play with numbers. You can choose any one of these and start working on that. So this is the basics of Microsoft Office 365, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.